Aloe vera, a succulent plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is native to the Arabian Peninsula. But aloe vera has now found its home in gardens and fields worldwide. Its soothing gel extracted from the plant's thick, spiky leaves is a treasure trove of natural remedies capable of alleviating a wide spectrum of ailments. But did you know that aloe vera has many other benefits as well? In this video, I will discuss the 20 most amazing scientifically proven benefits of aloe vera. I will also talk about the important ingredients present in aloe vera that make it so beneficial. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Aloe vera's benefits extend far beyond its topical applications, reaching into the realm of internal wellness. Let's explore the 20 most compelling benefits of this remarkable plant, highlighting the ingredients that underpin its effectiveness. Sunburn. Solace. The cooling, anti-inflammatory nature of aloe vera gel, rich in aquaman and salicylic acid, effectively soothes and heals sunburned skin. Acne's foe. Aloe vera's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, attributed to its anthraquinone and salicylic acid content, help combat acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Eczema's calming touch. Aloe vera gel's moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its acumen and lignin content, provide relief from the dryness and itching associated with eczema wound healing. Aloe-cherol, a polysaccharide found in aloe vera gel, promotes faster wound healing by stimulating cell growth and reducing inflammation. Digestive distress. Soother. Aloe vera juice, with its abundance of enzymes and anthraquinones, aids digestion by breaking down food and relieving constipation. Dental health guardian. Aloe vera gel's antibacterial properties, courtesy of anthraquinones, help combat plaque and gingivitis, promoting oral health. Blood sugar stabilizer. Aloe vera juice, with its potential to increase insulin sensitivity, may help lower blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes. Weight management. Aloe vera juice, with its ability to boost metabolism and reduce fat absorption, may aid in weight loss efforts. Hair health enhancer. Aloe vera gel's nourishing properties, attributed to its vitamins and minerals, promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. Skin's radiant renewal. Aloe vera gel's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its acumen and vitamin E content, help reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Oxidative stress fighter. Aloe vera's antioxidant power, stemming from its abundance of vitamin C and vitamin E, helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Bacterial barrier. Aloe vera's antibacterial properties, attributed to anthraquinones, help combat bacterial infections. Fungal foe. Aloe vera's antifungal properties, courtesy of anthraquinones, aid in treating fungal infections. Viral defense. Aloe vera's antiviral properties, stemming from its anthraquinones, may help combat viral infections. Immune system. Booster. A polysaccharide found in aloe vera gel may boost the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells. Bodies detoxify. Aloe vera juice, with its cleansing properties, may aid in detoxification by removing harmful toxins from the body. Stress relief oasis. Aloe vera's calming properties, attributed to its acumen and content, may help reduce stress and anxiety. Energy surge. Aloe vera juice, with its vitamin B12 content, may help boost energy levels by supporting cellular metabolism. Restful sleep promoter. Aloe vera juice's calming properties, thanks to its almond content, may aid in improving sleep quality. Overall wellness champion. The synergy of aloe vera's ingredients promotes overall health and well-being by addressing a wide range of physical and mental concerns. In conclusion, aloe vera, with its rich tapestry of natural ingredients, stands as a testament to the power of nature's healing gifts, from soothing sunburns to promoting overall wellness. Aloe vera's benefits extend far beyond what meets the eye. So embrace this botanical wonder and experience the transformative power of aloe vera. If you're interested in learning more about yourself and your health, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned.